So you want to learn or improve your Lingala, right? Stick around because you're on the right channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk Lingala with Joe. Today I got not much, a very exciting lesson. I'm going to give you 5 WH questions or question words in Lingala. And as well, whoever, whatever, wherever, whichever adverbs and conjunctions in Lingala. So without further ado, who, nani, who, nani, what, nini, what, nini, where, wapi, where, wapi, when, tango, nini, which one, oyo wapi, which one, oyo wapi. There you have it, 5 WH questions or question words in Lingala. Now with the adverb and conjunction, whoever, whatever, wherever, whenever, and whichever. So we start with whatever. Ata oyo, ata nini, sorry, ata nini. Whatever, ata nini. Whichever, ata oyo wapi. Whichever, ata oyo wapi. Whenever, ata tango nini. Whenever, ata tango nini. Whoever, ata nani. Whoever, ata nani. Whichever, ata oyo wapi. Whatever, ata nini. Whatever, ata nini. So there you have it. Now let's put them in some context or examples to understand them better. Who is this? Who is this? Oyo nani. Who is this? Oyo nani. What is this? What is this? Oyo nini. Oyo nini. What is this? Oyo nini. Not that this is oyo in Lingala. Oyo, this. Oyo nini. Who is this? Oyo aza nani. What is this? Oyo eza nini. Remember as well, when it comes to things or objects, we say eza instead of aza. So when I ask who is this, I'm gonna translate it to, if I say who is this, I'm gonna translate it to oyo aza nani. But when I ask what is this, because I'm talking about things or objects, so it's going to be oyo eza nini. Now which one? Which one? We said oyo wapi. Which one? Oyo wapi. Why are you being so nice to me? Why are you being so nice to me? Pona nini ozozala nangai malamu boy. Pona nini ozozala nangai malamu boy. When are you coming? Okoya tango nini. Where are you? Oza wapi.